We will move now to our next presentation by Anne Kietranmi, if I pronounce that roughly right, hopefully, to a somewhat smaller scale database.
So thank you to let me to present you the French Academic Compound Library, also called Chimiothèque Nationale. So I will present you first the mission, the goal, and the organization of the French Academic Compound Library. After, I will detail you the data model, database, web architecture, query module online for the current information system. And then I will explain you why we would like to evaluate the possibility to develop a new information system based mainly on Kemaxon tools. And I will finish by prospect. So the French Academic Compound Library has been created in 2003. So it is a federation of academic chemical laboratories. Now 40 labs participating to these projects with a double aim. The first is to preserve the French academic chemical patrimony, and the second aim is to promote its biological evaluations. So in 2005, the opening of the information system of the Chimiothèque Nationale. So the data relative to compounds are stored in one national database, and we also recorded data concerning in the second database, natural extract. So registrations to this information system website is free, but submitted to approval. And in 2007 is the creation of a service unit by CNRS. So it is a team where I'm working now. One of the missions of this team is to develop, to manage, and to support the information system of the French Academic Compound Library. So we are at the center of this network. Here you have the 40 labs. You have the community of biologists, our customer, and the community of chemoinformatics, which help us to make some evolution of the information system. So now let's talk about some few numbers about the French academic compound libraries. Now in the national database, we have more than 50,000 compounds and more than 15,000 natural extracts, and a growth barrier for compounds about 5%. And we have more than 350 users registered, mainly are biologists. So I can tell you now that this project is a real success. Between 2008 and 2011, we are more than 200 collaborative projects between chemists and biologists, which give 200 validated hits, 100 publications, and 8 licensed patents. So the last word that I would like to tell you about this project is it is about the diversity of the national database. Please note that 40 labs participating to the project is academic labs from French, so they have a different chemistry. So the diversity of the national database. So now let's talk about the organizations of the Chimiothèque Nationale, French Academic Compound Libraries. So each laboratory manage its own compound libraries. They store the compound in bulk or in micropets and record the data concerning compounds in a local database. So each year, they send their data to the national database, to the national server, which are managed by our team in Montpellier, in the south of France. And biologists, after registration through our web portal and Acceptal, can query the national database. And if they are interested in some compounds, they can select and ask them for scientific collaborations. So please note that no product, no compounds will be sold only scientific collaborations are allowed. So a material transfer agreement will be signed between each part to protect the rights. So now all compounds are stored in each lab, but a project to create a unique center to collect, to deliver, and to store the compounds are in progress. So in 2005, we built an information system for these projects. So here it is the architecture of the information system. So for the local library, for the local library, each laboratory chooses its own software to manage its own local database. So some of them use ESISbase, others use InstantGChem. Most of them now use a software called LGChimio. It is a client-server multi-administrator software which allows to manage a local database. This software is built around thanks to the recommendations of chemists from the network, and this software can be downloaded freely through our website. So the only recommendations we give to chemists is to send each year an update of their local database. The format is SD file, which contains 3 mandatory fields, so the mol files to describe the structure, the local identifier, and the quantity of the compound. So concerning the national server, this server is built around Oracle database and a chemistry cartridge provided by IDBS. It is an English editor of software. And through secure connections, after biologists can query the national database. The data model now behind the information system. So we built this data model around IDBS tables. So we use 3 tables from IDBS. The first is structure, the second is substance or compounds, and the third is a batch. So in our case, one substance is described by one structure and can be in one batch. And one structure can be linked to one or n substance. So we added to these 3 tables concerning user, ASX log, and basket, and to put the items on order. So we added an additional table to store the structure descriptor calculated from Chemaxon calculator plugins. So log2p, hydrogen bond donor, hydrogen bond acceptor, Lipinski. And we add to this table other descriptors provided by our chemoinformatics partners. So after registrations, each user receives its own identifier and password. So it can carry the online carry module. You have 2 possibilities to carry the chemical substance carry module or the natural extract carry module. In this presentation, I will show you only the chemical substance carry module. So biologists have many filters to build a carry. So we can search by substructure, structure, or similarity, stereochemistry, calculated descriptor, the available quantity, and the type of conditioning. So in this example, now we use, like I played Marvin sketch. You can draw a structure and launch a search by similarity. So the second window shows you the results. So 10 structures in this example match the carry. And for each structure, you can see the properties, and you can see all the compounds associated. So here is the third window. So you can see that the compounds are available in bulk or in plates. And if he is interested in this compound, he can put it in his basket and order this compound. So he can only see all the compounds available in the batch here. So to store the data screening provided by biologists after scientific collaborations, now today we use Instant GChem. It's client like a client desktop. But we remark a limitation of this software. For example, in our case, if data tree is a little complex with 3 tables, the first is about project screening, the second is assay, and the third is assay result. If we would like to make a query, this query is a little complex and less intuitive. So now this year we plan to evaluate the possibility to use GChem instead of IDBS cartridge. So why we would like to move to GChem? Because now we use maybe 10% of the capacity of IDBS tools. The possibility to add or to associate new fields to table structures, batch, and substance from IDBS is very difficult and limited. And to insert product in the database, we have to use tools only available with Microsoft platforms. So we would like to evaluate the possibility to use GChem. So we built a new data model. So it's like the current data model. With GChem, GChem provides only one table concerning compounds. It's a table structure. We can easily add new fields. And so we have to create the table substance and the table batch. And the rest of the table has no change. So in addition, we will add a table concerning data screening. We would like to for biologists to be able to carry their own data result. So concerning the web architecture, only GChem cartridge will be replaced IDBS cartridge. So we think that it's very easy for us to develop this new information system based on a Chemaxon tool, and we have no. So concerning the query model, we would like to propose to biologists or to our user a new query by name, similar to a chemicalized website. We remark many biologists told us that they don't know how to draw the molecule, but they want to write just a name of the molecule. So we can copy the chemicalized website to propose for biologists to write a name of a molecule, and the structure of this molecule is automatically drawn to the applet molecule, and after biologists can launch easily the search. So now I will finish my presentation about the state of projects on Prospect. So to evaluate the possibility to build a new information system based on GChem cartridge, so we have already created a new data model, installation and configurations of operating system, database, and chemistry cartridge is done. So the step, we are in the step of compounds loading. I think it's a step the most difficult for us. And the next step are to build a new query model, and we would like to merge all data, the data which are stored now in the current database. And maybe if tests are good, we hope to launch a new information system at the end of this year. Thank you for your attention.